been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything you miss. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years you've never let me down. You've turned my life all around. The sweetest things I found with you. Through the years I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we made, and I'm so glad I've stayed right here with you. Through the years, I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted to, I listened to before, and I swear you taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. Through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I knew how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'm here with you. Through the down, we'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about. I'm loving you. Through the found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you.